how to make money on Alibaba. It's probably a burning question, isn't it? Everyone wants to know how they can make money with Alibaba. So that's exactly what I'm gonna tell you. But first, what is Alibaba? Well, I'm sure you know what Amazon is, right? You can buy tons of different products on Amazon. Alibaba is the same thing, except it's more for wholesale. So Alibaba have pretty much every product you can probably think of on this planet. And they're from like China or different parts of the world, and instead of having like individual people selling like 1 or 2 items, you have suppliers or wholesalers selling large quantities of stock. So if you want to start an Amazon business or an eBay business or a Shopify business or anything, you go to Alibaba to find that product and buy it in bulk. That's pretty much what Alibaba is. So let's go straight into my computer right now and let me give you a proper example. Before we get started with this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel just down below and hit the like button if you like this video. If you don't like this video, you can still hit the like button because who cares? And this is all part of my 100-day video challenge. And I hope that makes sense. I'm posting a video every single day. I'm also posting an article or something on Instagram or LinkedIn or whatever it may be. But for now, let's dive straight into this video. And I want to tell you exactly how you can make money with Alibaba. So let's go into Alibaba. This is Alibaba.com, right? Looks quite nice. It's a cool looking website. Let's just search for a random product. Let's go wallet. Search. Okay, and I'm just going to outline the process for you. So we would look for wallets. So you got lots of wallets here, $1.83, $2.88. Find something you like. That one looks quite nice, actually. I like this one. So you would click the wallet, and well, they've changed it slightly, but so you look through the images, see if you like it, whatever it may be. This is how much it's going to cost. Now, these prices aren't set in stone. You can negotiate on the price. Don't worry about that. So what you can do is you can either start an order straight away. I wouldn't do that. Or you can contact the supplier. So that's what we do. We contact the supplier. We either speak to them through Alibaba messaging or we speak to them on Skype, whichever one just fits in better with the supplier depending on who it is. And then we will ask them stuff like, can they private label it? How much will shipping cost? What's the best price they can do? And we'll do that with about 5 or 6 different suppliers, maybe even more, maybe 10 suppliers, until we find the best price and the best product. Once you've done that, once you've found yourself a product, again, there are millions of products. Once you find yourself a product, you then want to get it shipped. So you want to use one of the big shipping companies like FedEx, TNT, UPS. Don't let them use some random small company that they found. Use one of the big boys. It's so much easier, and especially when it's with import duty and all that kind of stuff, it's so much easier. Right, now I will talk about what DDP is, which is direct duty paid. I'm going to talk about that in a separate video. I don't want to confuse this video. But where do you get your items sent? So now we have found a product on Alibaba. Where do you get your items sent? Well, if you're selling on Amazon and you're doing fulfillment by Amazon, get it sent straight to Amazon's warehouse. Why not? If you're selling on eBay, then get it sent to your house. Or if you're using some sort of fulfillment service within eBay, get it sent to that fulfillment service. Or if you're selling it on the Facebook marketplace, so you're just kind of selling it like around to people you know, word of mouth kind of selling, then get it sent to your house. Those are the places you should get it sent to. So, I mean, that's pretty much it with Alibaba. This isn't going to be a long video. This wasn't going to be a long video. It's a very straight to the point, simple video. What is Alibaba? How you can make money with Alibaba? You buy this item for $5, you sell it for $10. Simple. That is how you make money with Alibaba. It's really not confusing. You can find pretty much anything. Let's have a look. What else can you think of? Let's put in whiteboard marker. Marker. Whiteboard marker. And I'm only saying that because I've got one on my desk, so I just found it. There we go. 12 to 14 cents. You can sell a pack of markers for £5 or £6, $5 or $6, and you're getting them for 50 cents. Money made. Easy. That is what Alibaba is. I hope you understand what Alibaba is. If you don't, if you need more help with Alibaba, then just leave a question below in the comment section and I will answer it straight away. I love getting into my comments as soon as possible. I'm on here all the time, literally answering questions when they come in. So if you have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.